Salutări prieteni, astăzi ne jucăm FarCry New Dawn. FarCry New Dawn este un joc action-adventure, first-person shooter, făcut de Ubisoft Montreal. Este un joc pe povestea lui FarCry, cu narrativa întâmplându-se undeva după FarCry 5. După ce lumea a fost distrusă, acum acțiunea are loc într-o lume apocaliptică. Nu uitați să dați like, share și subscribe.
Without us up there, life returned. I was 6 years old the first time I saw the sun. Mom and Dad were heartbroken by what they saw. The world they'd known gone forever. But not me. I'd never seen anything so perfect. We weren't the only ones who'd survived, and slowly but surely, our little community grew. It wasn't always easy, but for a time, there was peace and prosperity. A new home, a new life, a new normal. But like all things in this world, it was too good to last. The highwaymen came from the east, led by a pair of sisters, twins. Said they'd heard about our little paradise. Said they wanted it for themselves. We never stood a chance. They took everything from us, our food, our homes, our people. We needed a miracle, and that's when we heard the name Thomas Rush. He and his captain had been up and down the West Coast helping folks like us rebuild, and they were on a train headed right through Hope County. Mom sent me to find them, convince them to help us take our home back. They were our last hope, our salvation. But it all went horribly wrong.
Da, arată bine. Se pare că suntem într-un tren. Deci, după cum se aude, e problemă cu trenul. Începem acțiunea. Se pare că am supraviețuit accidentul cu trenul.
Jesus! They're heading this way. Get up, Captain! Come on, get up! What's the fucking highwaymen? They're gonna kill us! Get up, Captain, get up!
Jesus, Barnes, keep screaming like that, you're gonna bring them all down on us.
Rush, you're alive!
Help me!
No, we have no time, we gotta go!
Barnes, we are not leaving the cabin behind. They're coming fast. We need to stick together. Understood? Cap?
O da băiatul cuțitașul.
We need to get armed. We need to get our people.
Pregătiți de acțiune.
Easier said than done.
One step at a time, Barnes. You lead, we'll follow.
Jocul este foarte cinematic. Este un joc open world.
Oh my God. I thought it was dead.
Acum, în primele secvențe, suntem un pic scriptați. Mergem după un traseu stabilit. Pa! Cât de explozie aici. Hai să vedem dacă găsim o armă pe undeva. Sunt convins că cuțitul ăsta nu va fi de ajuns. Dracu, chestia aici.
Whoever you are on that train, listen up. This is highwayman territory. Everything you have is ours now. Me and my sister are coming for you.
There's a sandstorm coming. We're in big trouble if we get caught in that. We need to keep moving.
Să ajutăm pe doamna.
Oh God! I'm hurt real bad!
Treabă bună.
Are you fucking problem makers?
Găsit un medkit. Mai găsit niște
Answer the fucking question!
bunuri pe aici. Niște glonțe. Se pare că avem plin de glonțe.
You piece of
Dar
shit
să
problem.
găsim și o armă.
Fuck your stupid train!
Ia să vedem. Ce cu băiatul.
Fuck is happening around here?
Facem o găurică la băiatul. Am găsit și un pistolaș. Parcă altfel te simți cu pistolul în mână. Hai să vedem. Floricele roz peste tot. O lume apocaliptică plină de floricele.
Let's keep moving. The sooner we find everyone, the better. Oh my God. The highwaymen are everywhere. I really think we should get out of here. Stay calm. Keep going. There's got to be more.
Băiatul are timp să facă graffiti. Foarte bine. Simțul artistic la maxim.
Gotta make things look nice before kids get here. Everyone's got a
Opa! Cred că n-am făcut eu prea bine, că am împușcat pe ăștia. Zboară gloanțele.
Rush! Rush, it's Carmina! Rush, if you're alive, head to the river. You can follow the river to Hope County.
Carmina's alive. You heard the lady. Let's get to the river. Captain, Barnes, everyone, on me!
E nebunie pe aici. Opa, opa! Altceva? Opa! Headshot, prietene! Nu vine o rachetuță, să fugim de aici. Opa, că e plin de ei. Eu zic să ne cărăm de aici.
Captain, we gotta get out of here. This storm's getting bad. I've got sand in my eyes, and there's highwaymen everywhere.
Fight through it, friends. We're not done. Get to the river.
Grafica foarte bună. Arată foarte bine.
Watch out! Barnes!
Opa, Barnes, spera să faci o băiță. Am încurcat-o.
Well, Merry fucking Christmas, everybody. Santa delivered a whole damn train full of presents.
What do we have here?
Rabbits.
Ooh. I gotta ask you rabbits a question. The fuck you think was gonna happen?
Riding in on a giant hunk of iron, just clouds of black smoke.
You think we wouldn't notice?
What do you want?
Barnes.
We want to know if you're problem solvers or problem makers.
What?
Our pops always told us that people either solve problems or make problems.
The world's got too many fucking problems.
And we're looking for people to help solve problems. Our problems. If you're a problem solver, we got you covered. Food, clothes, guns. Anything you need. Even health insurance. But if you make problems, well, Pops taught us what to do with problem makers.
Problem makers need to be solved.
Old man solved a shit ton of problems in his day.
Hell yeah.
So, rabbits. Are you all problem solvers or problem makers?
We solve problems. We've been solving problems all over this country.
Barnes.
We can give you fresh water, build shelters. We can get you anything you need.
Barnes, shut up!
You can build all that?
Well, I'm not me. But Rush here.
Well, then you are gonna be our #1 problem solver.
Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
You done? So, let's try this again. You gonna help solve problems for us, Mr. Rush? Okay.
Supărată domnișoara. Sper că nu crezi că o să ai treabă cu mine. Opa! Oh, facem o băiță! Cam atât pentru preview acesta de la Far Cry New Dawn. Ne vedem în episodul următor.